dumating yung Yolanda, mga 7 yun, parang nagkaroon na ng mga balita-balita na ganito magkakaroon daw ng bagyo na malakas, pero binaliwala namin yun. Maya-maya lumalakas na nang lumalakas. Nagpuputukan na yung salamin ng bintana ng tsuhin ko, nasira na yung pinto kasi sa lakas ng hangin. Yung pinsan ko na lalaki, pumunta siya sa may kusina nila, sabi niya, naku, malakas na yung tubig, tumataas. Nag-iyakan na kami, hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta doon. Kasi mabilis ang paglaki. Ano siya, natataranta na kami kung saan. Sabi, mamamatay tayo dito kasi hanggang nasa baywang. Tapos lahat kami doon natatakot na kasi mabilis talaga ng tubig, ang itim-itim pa. Hanggang abot na sa Kisame, sabi ko, umabot talaga sa Kisame, buti na nakakatayo pa kami doon. Pagkakita ko, iyak na lang ako kasi parang wala ng bahay. Tapos sabi ko, nasaan na yung mga kapatid ko? Kasi yung iba kong kapatid, nandoon sa kabilang bahay. Hindi sabi ko, nasaan na yung iba kong kapatid? Yung asawa ko nawawala. Parang siguro naman okay siya, sabi ko. Pinagtitibayan ko na lang yung ano ko, hindi ko pinapakita sa mga anak ko na nahihirapan ako dahil wala yung asawa ko. Tapos yung kapatid ko, tapos yung pamangkin ko, yung mga iba. Kasi doon sa kabilang bahay may patay na. Hirap na hirap kami pagkakita namin, lalo na yung bahay namin. Sabi ko, paano na yan? Wala na tayong titirahan, saan na tayo? Tapos maya-maya, mahihirapan na tayo dito kasi parang walang ng mga connection ng mga ano ko.
Right after Yolanda, we were crippled. We lost everything. Ironically, the secretary of the national government who were here during Yolanda flew out from Tacloban. They went to Cebu. They had their Saturday night in Cebu. Why? Because of their personal needs, maybe. Like Secretary Gasmin was an insulin dependent. They had to look for a supply, etc., etc. They wanted to distribute relief goods when the president is already present. People were lined up at RTR Plaza waiting for the relief goods, but they have to wait until finally the president comes in order to start the distribution. These are the ironies we had experienced, but right after 4 days of Yolanda, we were already on our regular response and activities post-Yolanda. Sad to say, let me just say this. Anywhere you go, the majority of people will really shut down interest for the national government, especially for Mar Rojas. Why? Because they were here, but they cannot defend us in terms of our times of need. All they did, politicize everything, and turned out to be, we were the ones doing politicking. They were not the ones, but they were the ones who did the politicking.
Palagay ko na hindi totoo yan. Kung sino man ang tinutukoy niya at sino itong taong ito, ay interesado ako na magkaroon ng full-blown investigation dahil walang katotohanan yan. Halimbawa, sa naaalam kong dumaan sa DILG, no? Sa 2 billion pesos for disaster relief for government structures, out of the 171 LGUs, 400 million of the 2 billion, 1/5, 20%, went to Tacloban City. Nandyan yan. Cash yan, cheque yan. So, hindi tama na ipinagkakait sa kanila ang itong mga tulong na ito.
But I have to move on. I have to accept reality. And that is the only way we can really close our experience from Yolanda and look forward